In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a recurring deposit on Robinhood, whether you've set up automatic transfers to help you save or invest consistently. There may come a time when you want to stop or adjust these recurring deposits. I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can manage your finances with confidence. Let's go ahead and get started. To begin, you'll need to open the Robinhood app on your mobile device or navigate to the Robinhood website on your computer. Once you arrive, make sure to log into your account using your usual credentials. If you're using the app, you may be prompted to use biometrics like fingerprint or face recognition, or to enter your PIN or password for security. After you're logged in, look for the account icon. On the mobile app, you'll typically find this icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, while on the website, it's usually at the top right. This icon often looks like a little person or your profile image. Go ahead and tap or click on that icon to enter your account section. Once you're in your account, locate and select the transfers option. This is where you'll find all your funding and withdrawal activities, as well as your deposit settings. It's the hub for managing everything that moves money into or out of your Robinhood account. Inside the transfers menu, scroll down to find the recurring investment section. Here, you'll see all your active recurring transfers. If you currently have a recurring deposit set up, it will be visible in this section. If you don't see the option, it simply means you don't have any recurring deposits set up at the moment and there's nothing to cancel. Assuming you do have an active recurring deposit, tap or click on the specific recurring deposit you want to stop. This will bring up the details of that particular deposit. In this view, you'll notice options to either cancel or edit the recurring deposit. If you just need to stop the deposit altogether, choose the cancel option. If you want to change the amount or date, you can use edit instead. But for now, let's focus on cancelling. When you select cancel, Robinhood will usually prompt you to confirm your decision. This is just to make sure that you don't accidentally stop a recurring deposit you still need. Review the details one last time, and if you're sure, go ahead and confirm the cancellation. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully stopped a recurring deposit on Robinhood. Remember, if you change your mind in the future, you can always set up a new recurring deposit at any time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you take control of your financial planning with ease.